Do you remember the very first person who made you feel safe? Who made the world feel a little less scary? Maybe it was a parent, a sibling, a grandparent, a close friend, someone who, with a simple hug or a kind word, made you feel like everything would be all right. Psychologists peg this as a natural human instinct, this need to be close to someone, to feel a deep connection, and they believe that the way these early bonds were formed, how our caregivers responded to our needs, shapes how we experience love, friendship, and trust throughout our lives. Some of us grew up feeling consistently safe and cared for. We learned to trust, to communicate, and to love openly. Others experienced uncertainty or love that was sometimes there and sometimes not, leaving a subtle ache, a fear that maybe, just maybe, people wouldn't stay. Psychologists call these patterns attachment styles. They describe the ways we connect with others, how we handle closeness, and even how we react when someone leaves or disagrees with us. It's not about who you are, but rather how you experience the world based on these early interactions. And as you get older, you start to notice a pattern in your relationships, a subtle script that plays out again and again. You might find yourself drawn to a certain type of person, someone who mirrors your attachment style. For instance, if you're used to feeling abandoned, you might seek out relationships where you're constantly chasing after the other person, trying to make them stay. But attachment theory isn't about blame. It's about understanding. Understanding why we react the way we do, why certain patterns repeat, and how with awareness we can choose differently. It's about learning to focus on ourselves, to heal old wounds, and to build connections that truly nurture us. Because in the end, the story of attachment isn't just about childhood. It's about every step we take toward knowing ourselves, feeling safe and discovering that the love we seek, the kind of love that makes the world a little less scary, begins with the love we give to ourselves. If you want to learn more about attachment styles and how they affect your relationships, comment below. And don't forget to share this video with someone who could use a reminder that they are enough and that you've got this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.